Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat, Fremont, you know, the same vehicle under two different names depending on where it was sold. So that Dodge Journey guys, we have airbag light on. And we have a code U0172. This one says left satellite acceleration sensor, guys. That's what the problem is. Stay with us, I'll demonstrate what we'll be doing. In the meantime, okay, let me introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. So please guys, subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. All the parts and tools, including this scanner that we'll be using for the airbag system, will be listed in the description of the video below. This is amazing tool, and it doesn't just work on Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, it works on any car pretty much. So, if I start the car, check out what's happening now. Airbag light will stay on. Okay, it goes off and then comes back on, and it just stays like that. Okay, and it just stays there. Okay, I'm going to rev it up. Nothing. Airbag light on. So what I'll be doing now, I'm going to turn. Okay, I'm going to start the car actually, because our battery is a little bit low, but you can go ahead actually and just turn the ignition on. And we're going to scan the system now. So we're going to select SRS, this is the airbag. It's a USA vehicle, made by Chrysler because it's Dodge. Now we're going to select, okay, automatic selection. What automatic selection does, it's going to read the VIN number and it's going to decode it. Okay, and once it decodes it, it tells it what kind of vehicle it is. So we know, okay, it's a 2012 Dodge Journey and all that stuff. Okay, so you can see it has 2012 Dodge Journey. We select enter, okay, excuse me, we'll go to control units, select control units, then we'll select body, airbag system, and we're waiting for the system to load now. Okay, it will take a little bit of time. Now the first one is read codes. Okay, right here, read codes. So that's what we'll be selecting now. Next, it's going to give us the code guide, U0172 active. What active means? Active means that the airbag problem is still there, it's still happening. Lost communication with left side satellite acceleration sensor. What that means? Okay, let me explain you now. Your car guys, okay, we have crash sensors, acceleration sensors on the side, and what is happening if you get hit on the side, it detects how fast the car started moving, and as a result it activates the airbags. So, in our case, okay, what I'll do now, I'll turn the car off. We were doing here a regulator replacement and we didn't connect the wire all the way on the acceleration crash sensor, okay, this one right here. And as a result, that's why we got the light. So, what we'll be doing now, okay, let me show you. I just found the problem I want to share with you. It's either bad sensor, bad connection, or a bad wire somewhere. Okay, we have to plug it in all the way. Okay, like that. Now we are going to start the car again. Whether you replace the sensor, fix your connection or anything, and check out now what is happening. Okay, you're not going to have airbag light on. And if I go under, okay, reading codes, see what we'll get. It says stored, it doesn't say active. It means that it's not in the system anymore. So I'll go back, even though the airbag light is not on, we still have the code saved in the computer. I'm going to turn the engine off. Okay, my bad. And turn the ignition on. The ignition on is when all your lights are on, okay, just like that, but the engine is off. We're going to click erase codes, establishing vehicle communication. ignition on, engine off, and we say yes. Yes, confirm, and clear done. So okay, if we click here now, read codes again, let's see what we're going to get. System pass, no fault codes detected. And now if I go ahead and start the car, there is absolutely no airbag light on, so that definitely fixed the problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.